So, is Webull a good trading platform? Webull is a popular trading platform that has gained a significant following due to its array of features and benefits. One of the primary advantages of Webull is its commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and options, which can save traders a substantial amount of money on trading costs. Additionally, Webull provides a range of advanced charting tools, technical indicators, and market data, which can be particularly beneficial for active traders looking to make informed decisions. Another notable feature of Webull is the ability to trade during extended hours, including pre-market and after-hours sessions, offering traders more flexibility in their trading schedules. For those new to trading or looking to test strategies without risking real money, Webull offers a paper trading feature. The platform is also accessible to a broad audience, with no account minimums required to open an account, making it an attractive option for beginners. Moreover, Webull's robust mobile and desktop applications ensure a seamless trading experience across different devices. However, Webull does have some limitations. Compared to other platforms, Webull offers fewer investment options, particularly in mutual funds and bonds. While it provides some educational resources, these are not as comprehensive as those available from some competitors. Additionally, some users have reported slow customer support response times, which can be a drawback if immediate assistance is needed. Another limitation is the absence of fractional share trading, which can be a disadvantage for investors looking to invest smaller amounts in high-priced stocks. In conclusion, Webull is a good trading platform, especially for active traders who appreciate advanced tools and commission-free trading. However, for those who require a broader range of investment options or more comprehensive educational resources, exploring other platforms may be beneficial.